Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Carlos Regonesi, Product Manager at Epson. Thank you for joining us, Carlos.
Thank you. Thank you for the time to be here.
We're talking about a brand new projector that Epson's coming out with. You've got a long history with projectors as well as printers and other products that people know about. But this is something new. You're really trying to bring your projectors mainstream.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's very correct. We're really dedicated to projectors and producing great image quality. That's why we're bringing our latest 3 LCD design with a laser engine for a projector that it's capable of producing 2,000 lumens of brightness for a very convenient implementation with Smart TV integrated. So we're using Android TV for the first time to drive new content immediately from out of the box.
And this is called the EF100. It's a small package. Tell me what you've done here.
Okay, so we first are producing 2 different versions of it. Specs are exactly the same, but you will find it in white color with a silver bezel, and also in a black color with a copper bezel. Both projectors are exactly the same. And actually, it was an engineering challenge, and we did it because we can. And we shrunk a much bigger projector engine into a very small package that it's under 6 pounds for you to take it from room to room and use it in different applications.
And the size of it, I'm guessing here, maybe like 10 inches or so, 10 inches by what, 8 or 9?
Yeah, let's say I don't know the exact number, but it's around 8.5 inches, maybe 9, a square box, and then maybe the height is like 3.5 inches also.
So it can fit almost anywhere. And tell us about the way this is projecting. This doesn't have bulbs that people will be needing to replace.
Yeah, that's very correct. One of the benefits of laser is that you can use it for a very long time. You don't have to replace any parts. And also the fact that you have immediate on and immediate off means that you don't have to wait for the projector to warm up. You just turn it on and you have already your content shining on any surface, such as a wall.
So I've seen this already, but I'm going to let you describe it. The out of the box experience. Consumers bring this home or get it delivered and open it up. Step us through the setup. This is going to be fast.
Yeah, yeah, that's actually really fast. Users are expecting that now, so that's why we're bringing Smart TV to projection. We chose Android TV because of the options it gives you in terms of the range of applications. But basically, you take it out of the box, you plug the power cable, you press the on button, and then you only need to connect it to the wireless network, and you're ready to shoot content from Hulu, YouTube, YouTube TV, Netflix, and all of the range of applications that people use nowadays for streaming.
And even the remote makes things simple for folks. Tell me about that.
Yes, so we designed it so that there's only one remote that would allow you to operate all the basic features of the projector, plus the entire interface of the Android TV. So you do not need to fiddle with more than one remote, which makes the experience very easy.
And if you have the Android TV built in, that comes with it, it's a stick inside. Mm-hmm. But if people choose to use other HDMI sources, you enable them to do that.
Yes, so we basically produced a specific device to power the Android interface, but we wanted to also give users the flexibility of attaching other sources. So that means that
if they had cable or satellite and wanted to use it for that, they could. Basically,
whatever HDMI connection you want to throw to the projector will take it.
All right. Tell me about the resolution here. You've made this a compact package, really.
Yes. So we're able to shoot up to 150 inches with this projector. This is a high definition projection, and thanks to the brightness level of 2,000 lumens, both equal in white and color, the picture that will be displayed will be amazing. And
as you're saying, this can work even in a room that's not completely dark. We're used to having the lights turned off, the windows, the curtains pulled or whatever. You don't have to do that here.
Correct. So we're bringing down some barriers in the adoption of projection. So basically that means that you don't need to turn off the lights, you don't need to set up a screen, and you don't need to hook it up to a ceiling with a mount. You just take it out of the box, again, put it on any surface. And actually one of the benefits is that you can shoot it to the ceiling. So we're giving users that flexibility of choosing the surface in which they want to project.
That's very cool. And you're showing some other potential scenarios in the household here where a projector like this could be used?
Yeah, so to start with, thanks to the Bluetooth capability of the projector, you can basically attach your own headphones or a separate sound bar to enhance the experience. And also you can go beyond that and do some other cool things, like if you're training and doing fitness or yoga or running, and you can connect it to the treadmill and your phone, and then all that experience that you basically have in a very small display when you're using your phone, you can extend that and project it in a wall and have a much richer experience for gaming, when you're doing like competition of like 4 cars racing at the same time, or training sessions. All of that can be accomplished with this projector.
Now, I got to see inside of this. You had one with a cutaway. This is quite an engineering challenge to build something like this.
Yes, so that's very true. As I said before, we shrunk a much bigger projector into a very small package, and that's because we can. We have engineers that are so passionate that when they wake up in the morning, they go to work, that's what they want to do. They want to make it more efficient, smaller, and brighter. So that is what drives them. They just continue to push. Even though we've already produced amazing projectors, we're not hesitant to continue improving our projectors. And the price will be $999.
So under $1,000 for a little projector that you can really take with you anywhere or move around the house, wherever you happen to be.
Yep, yeah, that's the idea, is that basically you have one package that is very versatile. It gives you the experience right out of the box with Android TV, but then you can also use it for other applications and move it around the house, or even bring it to other people's houses and show off the little cool technology that you can put in your bag.
And for more info, where's the best place to go? My assumption is Epson.com.
Correct. So at Epson.com, we'll have a PR announcement, and you can get all the information there on where to find more information about the projector.
Great stuff. Carlos Regonesi, thank you for taking the time with us.
Thank you.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C. Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C. Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C. Crane.